Combining OpenAI's breakthrough foundation models with ML6 advanced engineering skills allows us to push the boundaries of what's technically possible for our clients.
We have over 1 million businesses using OpenAI's technology now to build competitive advantage across their companies. And today we're going to talk about how we can go from pilots into production for all businesses here.
Today, I presented our vision on how to reach a enterprise superintelligence. And for us, that means we have a system which is aware of all conversations, aware of all data, integrated with every system, and it spots opportunities coming from human communication and builds solutions for those opportunities.
Unum is a platform that could actually accelerate enormously companies towards the value in the business. The companies that are going to focus on value first and then work it back from there are going to be the winners as compared to the ones that focus first on the technology and then see where the technology leads them.